Hi everyone, my name is Carl Daniel Arcrespo and I'm 15 years old, live in Del Magano, Karanglan, BCH. And my topic for today is how can we encourage our classmates to strive for academic excellence? To inspire your classmates to work hard in their studies, lead by example. Show diligence in class, always study, and be genuinely interested in the lessons. Form study groups where you can collaborate. Focus on understanding the lessons, not just memorizing. Make studying fun by incorporating games or engaging activities. Celebrate each other successes, no matter how small, to boost confidence and motivations. Share your study methods and resources. This could include helpful websites, not taking tips or time management techniques. By sharing your create a supportive environment, remember everyone learns differently. Be patient and understanding towards those who struggle. Offer support and help without judgment. Create a space where your classmates feel comfortable asking questions and seeking help. Beyond academics, emphasize personal growth. Encourage your classmates to pursue their hobbies. Show the connection between a healthy lifestyle and academic success. Remind them that setbacks are normal, but perseverance and resilience are key to success. Through collaboration, support, and mutual respect, you can inspire your classmates not just in their studies, but also in develop a love for learning and personal growth. Let's strive together. Thank you, everyone.